Okay, let me give you guys some practice now. So given this function here, you're given this function f of x. F of x is given by this. So it could be any function really. This is a function because it's a graph that doesn't go back on itself. So if you were to draw this from left to right, you would keep on moving to the right. You never turn back to the left and then to the right again. You always, well, this here is a function. Okay, given that f of x, is a graph that looks like this here. My first question is, what does f of x plus 3 look like? Okay, so get yourself some graph paper or any squared paper and roughly sketch this graph. And now the first question is, what does this graph look like? So draw this graph f of x, and then draw this graph in here. Okay, so f of x plus 3. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so f of x plus 3. We want to know f of x plus 3. So what that means is whatever the old value is, then you would plus 3. So when you want to draw this graph here, you basically get the old graph and then you add 3. So the old graph was 2, and then you add 3. Okay, you add 3. So it would be 1, 2, 3. So the new graph would be, the new point would be here. Okay, let's just look at the critical points here. So this is f of the old one. Okay, now because we want to investigate f of x plus, this is a plus. Okay, plus 3. We want to investigate f of x plus 3. So it was here, and then it gets shifted up by 1, 2, 3. So here it's here now. Now let's select this random point here. It was 7, and then because you want to, well, you could have plus 3 here. So it's 1, 2, 3. So this point translates to this point here. Okay, let's look at this point here. This is the old f of x, and then you would have to add 3. So it's 1, 2, 3. So this point here translates to here. Okay, now it's just a matter of joining the graph up. So wait there. This point here, this is another critical point. 1, 2, 3. So the new point would be here. So your new graph would look like this. This here, well, everything remains the same, but it's just, well, anyway, it's going to look like this. Remember, it was at 2. The intercept was at 2, and then it gets translated to 5. So this is a new intercept here. So your graph will look like this, and then this point here, join it up, and then it'd be this, whether 1, 2, 3, 4. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. So it would be here. Okay, so your new graph will look like this. Okay, let me tidy this up. So this point here, well, if you want to investigate f of x plus 3 here, if you want to draw this, this point here will get moved up to here. This point here will get moved up to here. So it will look like this. Now the intercept's at 2, but because you're adding 3, so this point here would be here. Okay, and then this point here, 1, 2, 3. So it would be here. So yeah, so I'm just really tidying it up. Yeah, so your new function, this is f of x plus 3. Okay, so in the next one I will give you another one.